Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and happy. Let us start with our unit 3. It can be done. That means whatever work is given to you, at first you will feel, oh, how difficult it is. But slowly, as and when you try and practice, of course, at the end, you will get success. But in the middle itself, you are saying, no, बहुत मुश्किल है, not possible. Then it cannot be done. It is difficult to accomplish that goal. So you should always say, it can be done. हो जाएगा. ये भी हो जाएगा. कुछ problem नहीं है, सब हो सकता है. So this poem is, it can be done. The man who misses all the fun is who says it can't be done. So see this boy. Look how he is. He'll miss all the fun. सब मजा वो मिस कर देगा, गवा देगा. क्यों? Because वो बोल रहा है अरे नहीं होएगा. ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं होएगा. He is very negative. So he will miss all the fun. So who will miss all the fun? Correct. The man who says it can't be done misses all the fun. In solemn pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. In solemn pride means here it means very serious, looking very serious. So he'll just stand alone, aloof, with a serious face, and greets each venture with reproof. So each venture, adventure. Yes, and with reproof is criticism. Always negative comments. He'll say, no, ये नया चीज़ तो मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा. ये तो अच्छा ही नहीं है. He will not accept the change. He will always criticize, or he will always give negative comments to adventures. Had he the power, he would efface the history of the human race. उसके पास अगर पावर रहता तो वो क्या करता? He would efface, wipe out, remove the history of human race. अभी आप सबको मालूम है history. पहले कैसे थे? See, like this. Then slowly development happened. See, like this. Then using the technology. So man is always learning new things. So if man is saying, no, it can't be done. So will he be able to get new things? Will he be able to invent new things? No. Since man is always ready with new things and he is very happy and he is thinking, yes, I can do it. So more and more inventions are coming up. We would have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars. अगर ये आदमी के पास पावर रहता है जो बोलता है इट कांट बी डन, तो हमारे पास रेडियो नहीं रहता, मोटर कार्स नहीं रहते, एंड रास्ते में इलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रीट लाइट्स भी नहीं होते. नो टेलीग्राफ नॉर टेलीफोन, वी वुड लिंगर इन द एज ऑफ स्टोन. कुछ भी इन्वेंशंस नया नहीं होता. टेलीग्राफ्स नहीं होते थे जूने ज़माने में. लेटर्स फास्ट पहुंचाने के लिए टेलीग्राफ का यूज़ होता था. टेलीफोन, वी ऑल नो दैट मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. वी वुड लिंगर इन द एज ऑफ स्टोन. सो वी वुड लिव इन द एज ऑफ स्टोन. दैट इज स्टोन एज मैन के जैसे ही रहते थे अगर आदमी बोलता कि इट कैन नॉट बी डन. सो हमेशा हमें क्या बोलना चाहिए? इट कैन बी डन. इट कैन बी डन. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. So ये जो वर्ल्ड है पूरा वो एकदम थम जाएगा, रुक जाएगा. सब लोग को कुछ नहीं मालूम रहेगा अगर ऐसे आदमी के पास पावर है जो हमेशा बोल रहा है it can't be done. So what is the moral? What is the central idea of the poem? Yes, so we should always welcome new things, accept changes, learn new things, and always say it can be done. Who is the poet? Anonymous. Now Anonymous, yes, we don't know who the poet is. Now rhyming words. See, fun, done. Aloof, reproof. Efface, race. Cars, stars. Telephone, shown. Run, done. Rhyming scheme for the first 4 lines. So fun, done. One similar rhyming word, so I have put A. Then aloof, reproof. This is not like fun and done, so I have put B. So what is the rhyming word of aloof? Reproof. So BB. So AABB. Is it clear? Is this poem clear? Okay. Bye bye.